Well, hey guys, today I'm sitting in a 2025 Nissan Sentra SV, and I'm fixing to show you quickly how to adjust your power mirrors. Okay, the first thing we want to do is step on the brake and push the start button, start your car. Now let's find the little switch on your armrest. It has three positions. Middle is the off position. Move it to the left, adjust your driver's side mirror. If you move it to the right, adjust your passenger side mirror. So to adjust the driver's side mirror, first thing we want to do is just push our little switch to the left. Then you use your little arrow keys, push up, and you see the mirror goes up. Push it down, mirror goes down. Push it to the left, mirror goes to the left. Push it to the right, and the mirror goes to the right. Once you get it where you want it, you just put it right back in the middle position. Now to adjust the passenger side mirror, you just push the little switch to the right and do everything just like you did with the driver's side mirror. When you get through, just put your switch right back in the middle position. Well, I know that was real quick and right to the point, but hopefully it helped you get your power mirror set. Hey, if this helped you out, hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos. Till next time, catch you later.